In this presentation, I will share with you 4 secrets that will help you know yourself better. These 4 secrets are the following. Practice self-awareness. Being self-aware simply means that you can observe yourself from a non-judgmental perspective. When you are self-aware, you can catch yourself in the present moment experiencing a specific state, reaction, or feeling. The more you are aware of your emotions, the more you start to understand yourself. For example, you might observe that you tend to be reactive when someone provides you with a suggestion on how to do something different, or you catch yourself nervously laughing at a situation that isn't funny. When you are aware of your emotions, you have a better idea of who you are and how you tend to react in certain situations. It is also the best way to improve yourself on certain aspects that you don't find optimal. You become less driven by drama. Identify your beliefs and values. It is essential to know what beliefs you have and the values that drive you. By being aware of your expectations and values, you are getting to know yourself better and also understanding why you tend to behave in specific ways. What are your core beliefs and values? Is it honesty, loyalty, love, fun, flexibility? How does your behavior match those beliefs? Maybe one of your views is that attention is love, and you get very insecure in your relationship when your partner doesn't show enough attention to you. By knowing that about yourself, you can learn to seek attention more healthily. Instead of being sassy or pitiful about the situation, you might simply ask your partner for a little bit of love. Even better, you might take the opportunity to learn to give yourself attention and meet your own needs by taking me time and do things that you enjoy doing. Start a personal journal. Journaling is an excellent way to get to know yourself. Not only does it help you practice self-awareness and identify your beliefs and values, but it also allows you to express gratitude toward yourself. Every day, take the time to write in a journal. In it, you can write about 3 things. First, practice a self-awareness moment when you reflect on the day and identify a time when you had a particular reaction. Write about your response and what you're learning about yourself regarding that situation. Then try to reflect if that self-awareness moment is connected to a specific belief or values that you have. Last, recognize something about yourself that you've appreciated that day. Doing this exercise daily will allow you to get to know yourself better and also become the best version of yourself. Find what lies in your heart. The heart space is the place where love, joy, and compassion lives. It is often the space where most of us are not familiar with, since many have learned to ignore their heart and focus on the logic. Meanwhile, people who are authentic and value their true self will tell you that they only look at what lies in their heart. Depending on the size of the wall that you've built around your heart, this may take more time than you think to connect with what brings you love. It is sometimes easier to think back when you were in your childhood and try to identify what you were passionate about at that time. You can also think of all the loving, positive experiences you've had in your life and reflect on what made that moment so special. What did you enjoy about that moment? The more you will be able to identify what brings you love and joy, the easier it will be for you to follow that path and learn about yourself. By applying these 4 secrets to your life, you will be able to find yourself and know what drives you, what makes you happy, and also what you want your life to be. The better you know yourself, the more you can choose an experience that feeds your needs and your heart.